right, so first thing we want to do is we want to get rid of this ugly square root. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square both sides actually. So when I do that, the square root and the square are going to cancel out over here, and then over here we just got 3 squared. So we're going to have x squared minus 64 over 4 is equal to 9. Okay, cool. Now I got to get rid of this 4 right here. I don't like this 4 right here, so I'm going to get rid of the 4. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. And when I do that, the 4 is going to cancel. And then over here, I'm just going to be left with x squared minus 64 is equal to 9 times 4 is going to be 36. Okay, cool. Now, I got to get x squared by itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 64 to both sides. And when I do that, 64 is canceled there. I'm going to get x squared is equal to, that should be 100. Cool. Now, I got to take the square root. That's how we get x by itself, right? So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And what's going to happen is this. So obviously that's going to cancel. We're going to be left with x. But over here, we're going to have 2 answers, right? Because technically, y'all gonna say 10, which is true, but also negative 10 would be correct as well, because negative 10 squared would also give you 100. So we're gonna have 2 answers. We're gonna have x equals 10, and we have x equals negative 10. All right, so that's what I gotta do for this one. Simple.